Hey guys, how are you doing? My name is Gaurav. Welcome back to Taurus Tech. And today we are going to be reviewing the Motorola E7 Power, which is the newest addition of Motorola phones to its E series. It has been coming from a long time, and this E7 Power sits alongside the Motorola E7 Plus, which has similar features, but this E7 Power is coming at a lower cost, it's coming at a lower price, and it's going to be starting at 7,499, considering that this phone has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. And this phone is completely based on the features. This Motorola claims that Motorola E7 Power is going to be better than all of the competitors that are coming in the market recently. It's going to be competing with the Poco M2, the Realme C2, and all the other phones that are feature phones, which are under 10,000. And they say, the Motorola company say, that this is going to be giving a strong competition to all the phones, because Motorola claims that this phone has better features compared to all the other phones that are coming at this price point. So since this phone is all about specifications, let us talk about the specifications of this phone. The Motorola E7 Power comes with a 6.5 inch full HD screen with a 720 into 1600 pixels resolution. The processor on this phone is a MediaTek Helio G25. The camera setup on this phone is two cameras in the back and one camera that is a single selfie shooter. The rear camera comes with a 13 megapixels primary camera and a 2 megapixels secondary camera. The front facing camera, that is a selfie shooter, comes with a 5 megapixels single camera. The storage capacity on this phone comes with a 32 GB version and a 64 GB version. There are two options, and the RAM capacity on this phone comes with 2 GB and 4 GB. If you are going for the 2 GB version, you only get the 32 GB storage option, but if you're going for the 4 GB, you get 32 and 64. The This phone comes with two color options, that is Tahiti blue and coral red, and I personally think that the Tahiti blue is going to be the selling color of this phone, because that looks really good. The coral red actually does not look that good personally. But this phone comes with a 5,000 milliamp hour battery and a 10-watt charging support, which is not going to be fast, but yeah, it covers up that it has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. But if you think it's going to take very long to charge the whole phone to 100%, the operating system on this phone is an Android 10 basic. It's going to be coming in stock Android, and as you know, the Android 11 is going to be coming in updates for this phone. Since this phone is all about pricing, it's under 10,000. Let's talk about the pricing details of this phone. This phone comes with two versions, that is 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, and 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. The 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage version is priced at around 7,499 rupees, and the 4 GB RAM and 64 GB version of this phone is priced at around 8,299. It's not a big difference, but if you go for the 4 GB RAM and the 64 GB version of this phone, you're going to be having some gaming features as well, and the 4 GB RAM is going to be making the phone a little bit faster as well. So I suggest you to go for the 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. It's not a big jump, but yeah, it's worth taking the jump. Since this phone is under 10,000, it actually comes with a lot of things that are inside the box. It comes with a cable charger, it comes with a power adapter, a power brick, and also a silicone case. So a lot of phones, a lot of companies have not been giving all of these features, but yeah, this phone under 10,000 is giving you also. That's a big thing from Motorola. Now that we know all the features of this phone, should you shortlist it, should you consider it, should you buy it, or should you just ignore it? Well, if you're in a budget and if you're looking for a phone that has a stock Android feature which you like and a battery which is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, I would recommend you to go for the 8,299 version of this phone, which is the 4 GB and 64 GB storage. So if you're going for this version, you can also have all of the things that you do. You making calls, you make WhatsApp, and then you can also play some games with this phone, because you have the safe side of a 4 GB RAM and a 64 GB storage, which you can keep. And this is gonna be enough for all of the basic needs that you do, and also you can play some games which are gonna be for time pass. You can just play them, as it has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, and Motorola has claimed that this phone will go for 2 days without charging, and it has a USB Type C charging thing. So if you are under budget, if you are in a budget, and if you're looking to buy a phone, I would really recommend you to just buy this phone. It's 8,299 and it's gonna be worth it. From all the competition that it has, it is a better phone, and it comes in a stock Android, which is gonna be the best part of all of this. So if you're looking for a phone under 10,000, just go right ahead and buy it. This was all for today's video. I hope you liked this. If you did, please do not forget to leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.